With just 48 hours left for general body meeting of Goa's premier dairy, director of cooperative society transferred farmers to grill dairy management. Vasco JMFC court extends police remand of terror suspect Samir Sardana by 4 more days. Samir in custody of Vasco Railway Police. Nomination for CCP election from today. BJP clears list. Congress likely by Wednesday. Candidates will have to open separate bank accounts. Record expenses incurred during poll. And Goa's lion-hearted cricketer Shadab Jakati gears up for Gujarat Lions challenge. I have worked hard for IPL comeback, says former Chennai Super Kings star. And now the news in detail. With just 48 hours left for general body meeting to decide the fate of Goa's premier dairy, farmers are all set to grill the management over its mismanaged affairs and alleged corruption. No vision to improve its performance and profits has forced several farmers to quit the business. Farmers are being supplied substandard cattle feed. Animals are falling sick, leading to low milk yields. In last 3 years, Goa Dairy faced loss of more than 6 crores on cattle feed. Prudent Probe reveals more shocking facts.
Goa Dairy going from the bad to the worst. With Sumul set to enter Goa's local milk production market, the unprofessional and shoddy state of affairs may turn a doom for Goa's premier dairy. Firstly, the functioning of new cattle feed plant has been in question. New cattle feed plant was recently handed over to Goa Dairy by Goa government. The fully automized plant was expected to bring down the cost of production and maintain good feed quality. Still, the recruitment in the cattle feed plant continues, leading to huge overheads and losses. The substandard feed quality has instead added to the woes of the farmers. Till the year 2007, cattle feed plant was running on no profit, no loss basis. Hence, the financial loss at the cattle feed plant was at minimum. In one of the years, it even performed to earning a profit of 5,000 rupees. But since 2007, the elected board started purchasing raw material and per year loss began to shoot up. It has now the figures of crores. Look at the loss figures. In year 2012-13, loss is around 3 crore 77 lakh rupees. 2013-14, 1 crore 66 lakh rupees of loss. 2014-15, loss of 1 crore 57 lakhs. So the total loss from 2012 to 2015 is more than 6 crore on cattle feed. Recently, the substandard quality feed of Goa Dairy was in news as the dairy animals were falling ill. Investigation by Goa Dairy revealed that it is due to substandard raw material used in the feed. Prudent contacted the farmers for an insight.
गोवा डेरीचे खाण करता तू
ना
गोवा डेरीचे कित्याक घालना
ते खूब प्रॉब्लेम येता खावडीक ते म्हणजे एकदां लूज मोशन जाता गायांक केन्ना दुयेंस पडटा आनी कितें चालूच आसता ते ती चालू आसतना गोरवांक हांव कितें करतालो 15 दिसांनी आमकां दोतोर हाडचो पडटालो कित्याक गोरवां एक तर गाब धरना पयलीं सारकें आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार गोरवां सदां तशीं केन्नाच दिसची ना तुका ती खावड घातल्यार.
Fed up with the mismanagement and the state of affairs at Goa Dairies, most of the farmers are now buying cattle feed from the open market. Farmers complain of garbage like stuff of plastic, stones and iron and sand in the cattle feed supplied by the Goa Dairy.
कुट्टी जब होता है उसमें मट्टी रहता है, इतना डगर रहता है, मान लीजिए वो जाएगा पेट में तो उससे हानिकारक ही होगा ना. रवत नहीं ले पाती है भैंसे, तो तरह तरह का परेशानी रहता है भैंसों को. एक पोता में 20 किलोमीटर जाती है, 20 किलोमीटर.
खावड म्हटल्यार साप खावडीक पयशे इतले घालून जोडून जोडून थिंगाच घालचे पडटा आनी वयल्यान रीण काडचे पडटा गोरवांक फीड करपाक लागून. कांयच फायदो ना इतले करून सुद्दां.
गोवा डेरीचें घालता म्हाजे खुद हाडून घालता पूण गोवा डेरीचें साप बरें हावण येना आनी ते सगळें पावडराचें आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार आमच्या गोरवांचें कशें आहा गोरवां आमी घेता ती सगळींच गोरवां तेंचे पेलेट खायना आमी भायलें हावड घालता तांकां आतां हावड जाल्यार कशी 1300 रुपयांनी साक जाला ते आमकां कोंताक येना.
The cattle feed plant running in profits almost a decade back is now turning a loss-making venture worth crores, gaining new heights of losses every year. While the new entrant Sumul assures a complete professional management, services and profit-making dairy business for the local dairy farmers, the farmers are in no mood to experiment with the Goa dairy. The Aam Sabha on Wednesday is set to say it all if the management is not ready to learn the lessons.
Meanwhile, just before few hours, Registrar of Cooperative Societies Narayan Sawant has been transferred to Vigilance Department. Now the additional charge is given to Meena Goltekar.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Vasco JMFC court has extended police remand of terror suspect Samir Sardana by 4 more days. Samir is in the custody of Vasco Railway Police, but Goa ATS is interrogating him. Goa ATS has informed the court that a lot of suspicious data has been found in Samir's laptop, pen drive, CD, but further investigation is required to establish motive of Samir behind procuring it.
Samir Sardana was produced before Vasco JMFC on Monday after completion of 7 days police remand. Goa ATS has informed the court that a lot of sensitive and suspicious data has been recovered from Samir Sardana's personal electronic devices. But so far his motive behind storing such data is not clear. Accepting prosecution's request, the court extended Samir's police custody till Thursday. Samir Sardana conveyed to court that he is unable to hire a personal advocate and pleaded to appoint a counsel for him from Legal Aid Service. Court has accepted Sardana's plea. While speaking to media, Samir Sardana said police has not allowed him to talk to his father, who is ill. He claims torture by the interrogators in the police custody.
I cannot get to talk to my father. Our right to speak with him for the last 3 days. That's why he's left us. The thing, my father is a very old man. He has cancer. And I need to be related false information with my father. So I need to go to him. And the police have to be scheduled. There are 7 days they found it. So is it possible for me to go and they can keep my passport with them as a to my father, or I can go to their counterpart and they will get this 8 days there. This officer, 8 days at the because I am there near my father. Well, so first thing is I am physically tortured, which is a violation of the law, and I am just a suspect, and they have no proof at all. I have been tortured in the room of an IPS officer.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Workers of Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs are agitated with the government. They have demanded regularization of their services. Around 201 workers under the department have been working from past several years on daily wages. Workers staged a morcha at Secretariat on Tuesday. They slammed former CM Parrikar for a U-turn on his assurance. Workers have warned of frequent weekly protests till the issue is resolved.
इतकी वर्सां आमी प्रामाणीक काम केलें डिपार्टमेंटा खातीर, स्पोर्ट्सा खातीर, सरकारा खातीर. एकूय सरकारान आमचो विचार करूंक ना. प्रत्येक जाण म्हणटा तुका तेणी कामाक लायला आमी कशें करूं. प्रत्येकाचो वत हेका आसा की तुका दुसऱ्यान कामाक लायला आमी तुजें फिक्स कित्याक करूं. जर अशेंच प्रत्येकान चिंतलें जाल्यार गोंयकारा खातीर कोण चिंततलो. आमी हांगा सगळे गोंयकार म्हणून आसा. आमी खंयच्या पक्षाचे किंवा खंयच्या इलेक्शनाचे मेंबर म्हणून किंवा पक्षाचे मेंबर म्हणून हांगा येवंक ना. आमी गोवा सरकाराचे कामगार म्हणून हांगासर जमलेले आसा. आमी नागरीक आसा ह्या गोंयचे. सो आमी सरकारा कडेन प्रमुख मागणे आसा की आमचो अधिकार आमकां दिवचो. आमी फक्त आमी काम करता तेजो अधिकार मागता.
आनी आमी डेली वेजीस काड पडटा. आमकां पर डे कितले 200 कितें तरी मेळटा आनी ते अशें आमचो वयलो बसीक वयता आनी खावप जेवप म्हणून आमकां 200 रुपयांनी कितें जातलें न्हू तें गव्हर्मेंटान तेंच्यांनीच चिंतपाचें की कशें आमी येवचें आनी कशें वचपाचें. ह्या पयलीं हांवें 5 वर्सां 6 वर्सां पणजे सर्वीस केली. आतां हांव सांखळे येयलां म्हणून आतां म्हाजें एज जालें. आतां म्हाजे कडेन जायना म्हणून हेज्यान फुडें हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की तिणी आतां तरी आमचे कडेन दोळे उगडे करून पळोवचें आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांचो तरी फ्युचर करचो.
एसएजीन म्हणटा 1 ऑक्टोबर 2014 आमी फ्रेश जरी आमी फ्रेश जाल्या DSY 2007 आमी जॉईन जाली ती आमची कंटिन्यू सर्वीस कित्याक करिना रेगुलरायज आमकां कित्याक करिना म्हाजो इलोसो भुरगो आसतना हजबंड मेलो म्हज्या घरांत हांव हेड ऑफ द फॅमिली ब्रेड विनर जाल्यार गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आमचें कितें पळयता एक्स-CMान दिल्लीक रावनूच पळोवचें गोंयांत कांयच पळयना रिमोट दिल्लीक कित्याक दवरला रिमोट गोंयांत धाड आनी आमचे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व कर ना तर कांय जावचें ना फकत आमची वर्सां पासार कोत्ता आतां थोडो आमचो स्टाफ DSYचो फकत 2 वा 4 वर्सां तांची रिटायर जावची आसा हे फुडें आमचेंय जातलें कोण काय आमचें पळोवंक रेडी ना.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.